Everyone talks in January. Everyone has goals. Everyone says this time is different. Everyone posts about the new them, but by day 7, you can already tell who's going to make it. And it's not who you think. It's not the loudest, not the most motivated, not the one with the most ambitious goals. It's the quiet one, the consistent one, the one who didn't announce anything but showed up every single day. The first week separates talkers from killers, and if you're not careful, you'll be in the wrong group. Here's what talkers do in week 1. Tego, Olin, maximum effort, 6 days at the gym. Complete diet overhaul. New morning routine that would kill a Navy SEAL. They're on fire, posting progress, telling everyone about the journey. By day 10, they're burned out, exhausted, overwhelmed. By day 20, they're done. Becto normal making excuses. The intensity that started them is exactly what killed them. Here's what killers do differently. They start slow, sustainable, boring, even. They don't try to change everything. They pick 1 or 2 things and do them perfectly. Every day, no exceptions. No drama. No drama. Nobody's impressed by day 7, but by day 60, nobody can ignore them. If you're in your first week right now and you're feeling the temptation to do more, listen to me. Slow down. The goal is not to impress anyone in January. The goal is to still be standing in March and beyond. Here's the first hook to keep you going. Intensity is for sprints. You're running a marathon. The man who wins the year is not the one who goes hardest in January. It's the one who's still going in September when everyone else is quit. You can't sprint a marathon. You'll collapse. Sustainable beats intense. Every time. Here's a second hook. Your brain is lying to you right now. It's telling you that you need to do more. That small isn't enough. That if you're not exhausted, you're not trying. That's the same brain that's going to tell you to quit in 3 weeks. Don't trust it. Trust the process. Small, consistent, relentless. That's the formula that actually works. Here's a third hook. The people who talk the most usually do the least. Every time you announce a goal, you get a small hit of dopamine, like you've already accomplished something. But you haven't. You've just talked. Killers work in silence. They let results make noise. If you find yourself wanting to post about your progress, stop. Do the work instead. Tell people in December when you've actually done something worth talking about. Here's the fourth hook. Day 7 is your first real test. The motivation you started with is fading. The routine is starting to feel less exciting. The voice in your head is starting to ask if this is really necessary. This is where you prove what you are. Talkers listen to that voice. They start negotiating. 1 day off won't hurt. I'll make it up tomorrow. Killers hear the voice and do it anyway. They don't negotiate. They don't debate. They just execute. What you do on day 7 determines what you do on day 30 and day 300. Here's how to be a killer. 1. Cut your goals in half. Whatever you planned, do less. Make it so easy you can't fail. Then, don't fail. You can always add more later. You can't recover from burnout. 2. Track 1 thing, not 10 metrics. 1. Did I do the thing today? Yes or no? Make the chain. Don't break the chain. 3. Remove decisions. The killer's morning is automatic. No willpower required. No debates about whether to do it. It just happens because you set it up to happen. Decisions drain you. Systems save you. 4. Find another killer. One person who's also in week 1. Check in daily. Hold each other accountable. 2 killers are harder to stop than 1. The first week separates talkers from killers. You've seen both. You've probably been both. This time, choose to be the killer. Quiet, consistent, unstoppable. Let the talkers fade. You'll still be here when they're gone.